Hi, I'm Christina Ruiz, and my standard is SKP1.C, which is plan and carry out an investigation to predict and observe whether objects based on their physical attributes will sink or float. And today I have 10 objects, and I will be doing the exact same thing. For these 10 objects, I will be seeing if they will sink or if they will float. And some objects may sink and some objects may float. And that may be because the material they're made of, their size, and their shape, and also their mass and their volume. So the 10 objects I have are a hard glasses case, a toilet, a towel paper, where when the towel is done, it ends with this, a grape jelly, a plastic spoon, a mechanical pencil, a plastic bottle cap, a plastic car, a paper clip, a penny, and a Hardware spoon. First, I will test my hard glasses case. I predict this object will float because it's hard and has material. It has floated. The next object is grape jelly, which is in a plastic container. I predict this will float also because it has contents in it, so I feel like it'll be weighing it down. Well, weighing it down for it to float. It floated. Next is a plastic spoon. I predict this will float because it's very light and it's plastic as well. It actually sank, which is surprising. I wonder, okay. Next up is a mechanical pencil. I feel like this will float because it's also light and it's plastic around it as well. It floated. The next is a toy car. I predict this will sink because I feel if it feels like it has a lot of mass to it and the material of the car as well. It sunk. The next one is a hardware spoon. I predict this will sink because it's also has a mass to it and it's metal and it's a little heavy. It sank. The next one is a bottle cap, a plastic bottle cap. I feel like this will float because it's plastic and it's really light. It floated. The next is a paper clip. I feel like this will sink even though it's very light. It sank all the way down there. And it's really crazy. And then the final one is a penny. And I feel like this one will sink as well, even though it's also light. Yes. And I think based on all of these, you shouldn't assume something just because it's light is gonna automatically float. because we have many examples of something being light and sinking, which is these two, the penny and the paperclip, and this one floated, which is way more heavier than the paperclip and the penny. So I'm assuming it's because of the material it's made of. And also, this plastic spoon, I did test it before I did this and it floated. So maybe it sank because I kept testing it, but it floated before, but it sank in this video. That is my experiment on will it sink or will it float. Thank you.